Hi there, I'm Kellie Chasse. I am so glad that you're here.
And if you are brand new to watercolors, I have a free booklet that you can download. It's called Basic Watercolor Information and Supplies Guide, and I put it together for all of you beginners. All you got to do is click on the download.
If you are thinking about diving into watercolors, or if you're just looking for a fun and approachable way to loosen up and play with paint, then these courses are for you. I have been teaching watercolors for over 15 years. My goal for every class is to make it simple, enjoyable, and something that you can look forward to each week. In these courses, I'm going to guide you step by step through the process, including materials, and we will usually do some type of demo or practice session before diving into the final painting. So these are going to be real time, real life demonstrations, and these are things that I've learned over my past 20 to well, it's actually more like 30 years of painting. I have learned to loosen up and enjoy the process more, and I want to share that with you. So I'd love to be your cheerleader. I'm here to encourage you and help you enjoy the process. You won't need any fancy supplies for the watercolor courses, just a few basic materials, and you can always use just what you have. You don't really have to go out and buy new things for this. And most of these lessons are very bite-sized, so you can easily follow along, even if you only have maybe 20 to 30 minutes a day. You will also get lifetime access as long as I have these classes up. You can pop back in and watch them and rewatch them on replay. You also can go at your own pace. If you are ever stuck, you can reach out to me and I will be there for you. Just remember, I'm a message away. You can email me, or I would also love to have you join our private Facebook group, and you can get feedback on your paintings over there. So whether you're brand new to watercolor or you're just beginning, I hope some of my courses will bring you lots of inspiration and a little creative joy. You can also just scroll down below and you can take sneak peeks of all the lessons and courses that I offer. So I would love to paint along with you. So let's make something beautiful together. We'll see you inside.